Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about the Rhino Tote tanks. The Rhino Tote tank easily transfers waste between your RV or trailer to the dump station when you're parked too far away. The Rhino Tote tanks are the world's toughest tote tank, and they're made right here in the USA. What makes them so tough? They're constructed of durable, blow-molded, high-density UV-stabilized polyethylene so they won't leak or deteriorate. The insides of the tank are sloped towards the drain hole so emptying is easy, and the interior surface is smooth so that it won't trap odors or debris. They have this heavy-duty, oversized handle which makes them easier to pull, tow, or lift for emptying. These giant, no-flat wheels easily roll over rough terrain, and they have bearings to make them sturdier. On top of each tote tank are two separate water inlets. The first inlet is an integrated tank rinser with an easy grip female connection to connect to any standard-sized garden hose for use with gray water. It features a backflow preventer and multi-directional spray to help clean the tank's interior sidewalls. The second inlet has a male garden hose connection that's mainly used as a vent to maintain airflow during filling and emptying. But it can also be used with the included 15-inch female-to-female hose in order to fill and flush the tank faster, but without the backflow preventer or multi-directional spray. The Rhino Tote tanks are available in 4 different sizes: 15-gallon, 21-gallon, 28-gallon, and 36-gallon. The 15 and 21-gallon tote tanks feature a standard lug sewer connection for both filling and emptying the tote tanks. The 28 and 36-gallon tote tanks, however, have an extra feature, which is an integrated waste outlet gate valve located at the bottom of the tank, making emptying even easier. All Rhino Tote tanks come with a ready-to-use kit that has everything you need. Each kit includes one 3-foot sewer hose with swivel bayonet and lug fittings, one clear elbow with swivel bayonet and 4-in-1 adapter for connecting to the dump station, one clear double swivel bayonet elbow for connecting the sewer hose from the RV to the tote tank. It can also be used to view how full your tote tank is getting. One 15-inch female-to-female Rhino water hose with easy grip connections, storage caps and lanyards for all of the inlets and outlets, and one steel tow adapter. The steel tow adapter can be used for added leverage when pulling, or you can attach it to the hitch ball mount of your vehicle for effortless transportation. When your Rhino tote tank is not in use, you can utilize the integrated ladder hook on the bottom to hang your tote tank from the RV ladder. And the molded-in tie-down grooves are the perfect width for straps, so you can secure it. And each Rhino tote tank comes with a 2-year warranty. So there you have it, the Rhino Tote tanks from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.